Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking straight money facts. Getting straight to the bag, how I turned $10 into $234. For those who don't know, when I go thrifting, I try to go on like dollar days where they have a particular, here's a hater coming, where we have a particular, he's so distracted, okay, where they have a particular color that is $1 and they'll sometimes have like 50% off tags and stuff, but I try to keep it to the dollar ones mostly just for, cost of goods purposes. Okay. So with the $10, I bought 10 things, and these are the things that sold this month only. So I'm just doing, today is October, ooh, not my watch dead. What is it, the 25th? You just want to be seen. Okay. Anyway, like I said, I had $10. I mean, of course, not including tax, but $10. And these are the things I bought all this month. So I'm going to start with, I'm going to start with the eBay. So this one I sold on 10/5. This was a Mimi Chica. I mean, it's not really like a crazy brand, but it was just like this tie-dye dress. Spaghetti strap, had raw hems and stuff. It sold on eBay, including shipping. So when I do my eBay stuff, I do include shipping and their total, like, what I got from them. It was $26.60 that was, given to me. After shipping and eBay fees, I made $16.52. So that's a profit of $15.52, if you take out the cost of goods. The next thing that I sold was an Eileen Fisher burgundy merino wool sweater, long sleeve. It was a size small. But it sold for a total of $36.30 after platform fees. This was on eBay. So after eBay fees and shipping, I profited $25.95. Like I said, that felt good because, again, $1 into $25.95, I'm messing with it every day. Okay, and then, the next thing that I sold was a Croft & Barrow red and black plaid cardigan. I sold this on Mercari for $20. After fees, it was $17.12. Another dollar thing sold on Mercari. It was a black corduroy jumpsuit. I don't believe it was anything that was like a crazy brand. I think the brand was Lelise. Nothing really, but I know that the corduroy, the jumpsuits and stuff, it was like slightly wide leg. So I know those type of things are in. Sometimes it's not about the brand, it's about the item. Like, is it on trend? You know what I'm saying? So that sold for $26, and after fees, it was $22.95. Mercari was blowing up because the next thing was from Mercari too. Okay, this was a good one. This was a new with tag Billabong black wetsuit or swimsuit. It was men's. I believe it was a size medium. I'm gonna put something. I'm gonna have little pictures up, but I believe it was a size medium. I got it for $1. I seen it. Now I'm doing a little backstory on this. I had seen it one day when I was there, and it was marked at like $18 or something, $20 or something like that, running. And I was like, you know what? It's got that tag. I already knew Dollar Day was coming up, and I was like, maybe it'll be here when I come back. I'm not gonna pay for it. And then I came back with my boyfriend, and then he saw it and was like, what about this? And I was like, you know what? I did see that last time. Yes, let's grab it. And it sold for $50 on Mercari. So after fees and everything, it was $43.25. So that one was like, pump it up, $1 to $43.25. Okay. The next thing that I had was, it was this Morris. This was on eBay. This was a button-down top. By Morris & Co. It was a Morris & Co. H&M collab. It was like an Art Deco top, had like a slight mock neck, tie in the front. It was like an interesting print to me, like when I saw it. So I picked it up. It sold on eBay after shipping for... You heard my hater in the background? Cambo, why you gonna hate on mom? Okay, the top sold for $31.55 including shipping, and so after fees and shipping, it was $22.89. Like I said, I sold that on eBay. The next thing I sold was eBay as well. This was a pair of men's Wrangler jeans. I want to say, let me see if I can pull it up real quick because I think it was more about the size. Yes, these were a size 42 by 32. So I don't really sell a lot of men things, but what I do know is that larger sizes in men clothing, I mean, it's kind of like that with women clothing too, but in men's clothing, it's much easier for me to sell. So like I said, this was a 42 by 32 Wrangler men rugged wear relaxed fit dark wash jeans. And these sold for, including shipping, it was $47.90. Yes, I said $47.90 they paid. And so after fees and shipping, I got $31.22. So I like that. I like that all day, every day. The next thing I got, it was this green soft surrounding sweater. I think it's called the Reseller sweater. It was super soft. Like, I sell soft surroundings a lot. I do really well with that brand. So of course, when I seen it for $1, I picked it up. It sold on Poshmark for $25, and I didn't give out any discount or anything. So I made a profit of $20 on that. Let's see. Okay, and then I sold a pair of Lilka, I think that's an Anthropologie brand. It was these Lilka Paisley Palazzo type pants. I sold these on eBay for a total of $21.20. After fees and shipping, I got $14.08. Yes, my hater. Sir, wait one moment. Okay, the last thing that I sold was this Talbot's cow neck pullover. I sold this on eBay for a total of $29.90. After platform fees and shipping, I made a total of $20.78. Okay, so when you run down all those numbers, in total gross, that number from that $10 turned into $314.45. Okay, so after y'all fucking throw me off. So after before fees and shipping everything, that $10 turned into $314.45. After shipping and platform fees, it was $234.16. Yay! So that $10 turned into $234.16. You can't beat that with a stick, okay? It's like, this is the type of thing that I like to kind of promote. And I know some people are like, oh, you're telling all the secrets. It's like, it's not a fucking secret. Like, sometimes people just don't know that certain stuff could be done. But it's like, I'm not the only one here doing it. It's not a secret. People can do it. And for me, it's more so like, if people like it, they're gonna do it. Some people, you can tell, I could tell this to them all day, every day, and they still won't do it. So I like giving y'all this information and letting y'all know that it's possible. You don't have to spend a lot to make the money back. You know what I'm saying? You just have to find what works for you, find a good store, find good prices, go on days where it's sales happening, and you can flip a little bit of money to a lot of money. Okay, we all trying to get side hustles, inflation, all that stuff. So listen, don't just think that you have to get these crazy brands everybody's going after. I don't even know. Everybody wants to get Lululemon and Gymshark and all this stuff, and it's like, that's great too. I mean, of course, but there's things like this that you can get that's going to still make you money. Okay, so just expand your mind, look, look at comps and just use a little bit of your common sense. You know, if you have some, use it and think to yourself, would I want to pay for that? Would I go online for that? You know, what is the girl I get? Getting tongue tied. Factor stacking is what I do a lot of. I've been doing it. I get that term kind of from this other girl, Kaylee. Factor stacking is very important when you trying to do things like this, because I know sometimes you can look at stuff and say it's $1, but it's not really worth picking up. Still, it's like, okay, you're gonna pick that up for $1, it's gonna sell for $5. Nobody cares about that. Get things that people want, things that more substantial, like pieces, sweaters, and you know, good prints and stuff like that, and stuff that you like, because they don't help you list it. Sometimes you get stuff that you don't like and you just think it's going to sell, and then you never get around to listing it. So expand yourself, look out for deals, find those stores that are going to help you be profitable, and don't just pick up anything. Actually look it up, comp search sometimes, because once you get comfortable with comp searching and you realize the things that are going to work for you, you won't have to do it as much in the store. I don't do it as much anymore. Like a lot of the stuff I didn't look up particularly, but you know, I did it a lot in the beginning. So like I said, you can turn $10 into $300. It's possible. Okay, so make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me below some of your best flips, some things that you buy, what is your cost of goods and stuff like that. Are you able to get to dollar days? Do you have that? Do you shop the bins? All of that type of stuff. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. I got everything. Okay? And let me know what you think about this video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.